All right, training on the exhaust pipe expander. So you can buy adapters to adapt one size of exhaust pipe to the next. As you can see, this one here doesn't really work either way, but it almost works perfect for the tailpipe. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to try to make this adapter a little bit bigger so it slides over that as tight as I can. Okay, it's already thin from being expanded from the factory, but we're going to try it. So on the machine itself, you have pump and release, you have the gun, and you have various sizes of adapters. So set that up so you can kind of see what I'm doing. First thing is you get the right adapter for your pipe. Okay. Then hook the gun up to the adapter. I like to put this piece between my feet to slide it on, so you can use your imagination how that worked. So I'm going to release it. I'm going to turn this dial down so I can slide that in there and make that as small as I possibly can. There, like that. And then what I'm going to do is slide that on there like this. And I'm going to go a little bit at a time. I want to get it as tight as I possibly can fit it on. Okay. So I'm going to push on the pedal. Sorry about the lighting, it's a gloomy day. All of a sudden you'll hear it lug down a little bit, like right at the end. That means it's starting to expand it, so you have to be careful at this point. Okay, so we release it. Okay, see if it fits. No, can't go a long ways yet. So we'll screw this out. As tight as we can get it. Okay, releasing it. Give it a little tap. Sometimes you just need to give it a little tap. Just a touch more. So we'll unscrew this out, just keep coming out. As we expand that pipe, you can see how much we've expanded it already. We'll just tweak it a little more. Okay, release. give it a tap. Just like that. Could have maybe had just a touch tighter, but there we go.